Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Al from the Palestinian schools in Doha, Qatar. Today I will explain to you Unit 2, Period 3 and 4 for the 7th grade. Let's get started. Exercise 1, page 14. Listen and repeat the words and expressions. Now I will play these words twice. First listen, then listen and repeat.
Artist, billion, businessman, Holy Quran, leader, Middle East, Russian, technology.
Now listen and repeat.
Artist,
Artist,
billion,
billion,
businessman,
businessman,
Holy Quran,
Holy Quran,
leader,
leader,
Middle East,
Middle East,
Russian,
Russian,
technology.
technology. The lessons vocabulary. Now let's take the lessons vocabulary one by one in details. Artist. Artist is a noun. Artist is somebody who produces art, especially paintings or drawings. Billion. Billion is a noun. Billion means 1,000 million. Businessman. Businessman is a noun. Businessman means a person who works in business, especially in a top position. Holy Quran. Holy Quran is a noun. The Holy Quran is the holy book of the Muslims. Leader. Leader is a noun. Leader means a person in control of a group, a country, or a situation. Middle East. Middle East is a noun. Middle East is the area that includes Iran and Egypt, and the countries which are between them. Russian. Russian is an adjective. Russian means from or related to Russia. Technology. Technology is a noun. Technology is the study and use of science for practical purposes in industry. Exercise 3, page 14. Listen and read. Then choose the best title for the passage. Here we have a passage and 3 titles. You have to read carefully to choose the best title for this passage. The titles are A. Arabic and English in the world. B. The world's languages. C. A language for the world. Let's now play the audio so that we can choose the correct title.
Arabic is a world language. About 280 million people speak Arabic in the countries of the Middle East and North Africa. Many millions more around the world understand some Arabic because it is the language of the Holy Quran. The number of speakers of a world language is always changing because the world is changing. The number of Arabic speakers is rising every year, but the number of Russian speakers is falling. English is like Arabic. The number is rising. More and more people are communicating in English every day. Why? Because people from different countries often speak English when they meet. Palestinian leaders speak English when they meet to talk about our country. It is the language of science and technology, the language scientists, doctors, businessmen and artists use. About 2 billion people speak English in countries like Britain, the United States, Australia and India. Many more are learning it in schools all over the world.
Now, which is the best title? Very good answer. Arabic and English in the world. This is the true title. Now, after we have read and listened to the text, let's get from the passage the synonym of. What is the synonym of talk? The synonym of talk is speak. What is the synonym of a little? Some. Some is the synonym of a little. Noble. What is the synonym of noble? Holy. That's true. Next, give me the opposite of. The opposite of rarely. What is the opposite of rarely? Always. Very good. The opposite of rarely is always. Next, what is the opposite of falling? Yes, rising is the opposite of falling. The next word is less. Give me the opposite of less. More. That's true. The underlined pronoun refers to the underlined pronoun it. In the second part of the passage, it refers to English. That's true. Exercise 1, page 15. Listen and number the words in the order you hear them. I will now play the audio. Listen carefully and number the words. Some of them are not mentioned. So listen carefully to number, then you will say which words didn't you hear.
Leaders, businessmen, and artists use different languages to communicate. Arabic is often used in the Middle East. In India, people often use English. About 2 billion people speak English all over the world.
Now after you listen to the audio, let's number the words one by one. The first word is leaders. Very good. The second one is businessman. That's true. Number 3, artists. Number 4 is Middle East. And the last one is billion. Now answer this question. Which words didn't you hear? The words which you didn't hear are Holy Quran, Russian, and technology. That's true. Exercise 2. Read and circle the correct words. In this exercise, you are going to read 4 sentences with 2 options for each sentence. You have to choose one of them as the correct word to complete the sentence. Let's first read the sentences one by one. Number 1. People like artists or Russian are using English to communicate. 2. Arabic is the language of technology, the Holy Quran. 3. English is the language of leader, technology. 4. More than a billion Russian people speak English. Okay, let's now do them one by one. The first sentence, people like, yes, artists is the correct choice. People like artists are using English to communicate. That's true. Next, Arabic is the language of what? Of technology or of the Holy Quran? True answer. Arabic is the language of the Holy Quran. 3. English is the language of what? Of technology. Good. And the last one. More than a billion or Russian people speak English. What do you think? A billion, of course. Exercise 3, page 15. Complete the sentences with words from activity 1, then match the sentences with the pictures. In this exercise, you need to have a look at exercise 1, page 15, and to use the pictures under the text. Let's first read the words one by one, then we will complete them from the words from activity 1, and we will join each sentence with its correct picture. Are you ready? Let's first read the sentences. 1. English is the language of science and 2. My father is he can speak English and Arabic. 3. There are more than a people in India. 4. Have you ever been to the? 5. Do you know anyone who speaks? Okay, I'll give you some time to think about the answers, then we will continue. Have you finished? Okay, let's complete. Number 1. English is the language of science and true technology. Technology, which picture? Picture E, very good. Number 2. My father is a businessman, very good. He can speak English and Arabic. Which picture? Picture B, good. 3. There are more than a billion people in India. Which picture? Picture D, good. 4. Have you ever been to the Middle East? Good. Which picture? Picture C. 5. Do you know anyone who speaks Russian? Russian, which picture? Picture A, true. Thanks for watching and good luck. Teacher Ahmed Jghemi was with you. See you soon in the next lesson.